In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram password. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying. It is possible to change your Instagram password from within Instagram. To do this, we open Instagram. After opening Instagram, we click on our profile at the bottom right. After doing this, we click on the three lines on the top right and click on Settings and Privacy. Then we click on Account Center. In Account Settings section, click on Password and Security and then click on Change Password. We select our account to continue. First, we type our current password. Then, we type our new password. Here, we need to be careful when creating a new password. This password must be long enough for security of our account. We also should not forget our new password. If we forget our password, we may have difficulty in our next login attempt. So, it is useful to be careful when creating our new password. After creating our new password, we click on Change Password. We have changed our password. If you want, you can change your password again in the same way. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.